Hello friends, I am Raj and welcome to my channel Chandraj Production. And today I'm going to tell you about how to create a beautiful thumbnail and attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos. So let's start. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop and import your all media files. File, new. So put any name like YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Choose document type custom. Custom and take with 1920 and height 1080. Take resolution 72 and color mode RGB color 8-bit. Background, choose background transparent and click OK. Okay, and then import all your media files like photos, images, picture. Here is my image. Open it and choose another image that you like to put on thumbnail. On desktop and in new trash folder. Okay, and I am going to crop this. So choose crop tool and deselect this part. Okay, and simply crop. Okay. After cropping this, make sure that you have to take a new layer. Okay, and then move this image. Pressing Ctrl+T, you can resize this. Simply resize by dragging this corner. Okay, then using marquee tool, select this another image and move this image also on this canvas. Remember that if you want to resize, then press Ctrl+T. Okay, press enter or select any another tool to save changes. Okay, simply click apply. select your basic layer and click here, create new fill or adjustment layer and choose gradient, and in gradient section choose here this icon. Okay, it's good linear. If you want to make reverse, then you can change here, but I don't want. Okay, let's press OK. Then I want to make a square or rectangle, so choose from here rectangle and then create a rectangle here. Okay, I don't want to fill this color. Simply click here and choose this no color, and from here choose outer line color. So outer line color I am going to choose white. Okay, and you can increase the width of boundary. It's sufficient. Choose text tool and type here whatever you want to type. Like I'm going to type selection tool. And move tools. Sorry, and move tools. You can arrange this text. It's looking awkward. Yeah. Now looks good. You can increase or decrease the size from here. Text size. I'm going to take 100. Okay, drag this down. You can change the font from here. Like there is many fonts. I'm going to choose Arial Black sample. And from here you can change the style like narrow, regular, italic, bold. and choose the color from here. So color is red. And again select the text tool. Decrease the size like 48 or 60. Plus first, sorry, I want to change this color, so you can change from here anytime. Actually I want to change the direction of this background, so click here on gradient and this is linear, it's okay, but take inverse and click OK. Now it's looking clear. From here choose blending option. You can change here that you can change the texture here, and you can change a stroke here. I am going to change a stroke size 6, 5, 6 is okay. Outside color black, okay. Color overlay, okay. This color is also good. You can drop shadow and then simply click OK. So our thumbnail is approx ready, and just save it, save as desktop. Choose the format here, JPEG, save, simply click OK. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and keep supporting me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.